How to get Showtime card for free in eFootball. You can get 2 Showtime card for free. First one is this card, and the second one is this one. To get those card, you will need this eFootball point, and you can get this for free. If you don't know how to get this point for free, like the video and comment below, I will make a video on it. To get the players, first go to the shop option. Now tap on eFootball points, then click on sets option. Now tap on your favorite player from here, then click on exchange. You will need 15,000 eFootball point to get each player. Now it will redirect you to the Konami website. Log in your Konami account here. As you can see, my Konami account is already logged in. Now tap on this exchange option. Then again tap on exchange. And that's it. Now you can claim the player from the in-game inbox. Now go back to the game. From here you can claim the player, as I am claiming. If you need the custom training of this player, comment below. So that's how you can get free Showtime Player. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.